Hi, good afternoon. This is the week ahead report for traders. Let's have a look at what will be kicking in financial markets this particular week. So it's going to be quite a quiet week. However, things to focus on is Jerome Powell's head of the Fed speech. That is going to be one to focus on, and also durable goods orders. Durable goods orders is an indicator as to how the selling of durable goods, fridges, freezers, and fridge freezers and all hard stuff is going to be taken up by the consumer. So those are two big items. You've also got in Europe, you've got Christine Lagarde, the ECB rate decision. You're probably going to have a no movement on interest rates as far as interest rates are concerned in the ECB, European Central Bank. So quite a quiet week. So I want to focus a little bit on where we're going regarding gold, silver and Bitcoin. So I reckon gold is going to continue moving up. In fact, if you're part of the gold group, then you would have been given an indicator that I'm buying gold again on Monday at 33.38 bought. It's now 33.81, and silver at 38.15. It's now 38.54. But where are they going longer term? So I expect them to continue moving up. As regards Bitcoin and the crypto sector, you're going to have a lot of activity on altcoins going forward. Why is that? Because once you've got something like Bitcoin, which is essentially the flagship of the crypto industry, then once that moves up, that's going to pull up and drag up all of the altcoins and even the meme coins. Meme coins, not too sure about, because again, they're a bit of a phase. It's not something that is stable. Looking overall at asset classes like stocks and shares, then stocks and shares I would see continue to move up in the event of the fact that you've got liquidity. You're going to have reducing interest rates at some stage by the Fed and also by the Bank of England, and other central banks will be reducing interest rates. So that's going to feed into stock markets, going to have stocks moving up. Again, we run a stocks group and you can follow our trades on that as well. Overall, I suggest that I would push the stock markets would probably move higher. Things like Apple I'm very interested in. I think that's got good upside. Things like Oklo, things like BBAI, those are good upside. Sunrun has got good upside as well on the stocks. So those of you who are interested in following the stocks, those are pretty good ones to get going. And essentially, we're going to have a rising stock market with more liquidity. The reason behind that is because, as I said many times, the Fed is going to print a load of money. If you're interested in 14-day access now, group DM14 to